Hello viewers, this is ASUS VIVOBOOK 15. It has Intel Core i5 12th Gen processor inside it. This is a very thin and lightweight laptop. It has 15.6 inches display with 84% screen to body ratio. At the back you can see all the materials and also the fan and two speakers are there. On the front you will get this 15.6 inches display. Actually on the display you can see it has a very good coating and matte texture, and also the keyboard seems to be very good. And here you can see the specification and also Sonic Master, and here is the fingerprint scanner and also about information about the processor. It comes with Windows 11 Home and the keyboard seems to be very functional. The display comes with 1920 into 1080p resolution and it supports Dolby HDR, so you will have a great visual experience on this display. Plus it has three-sided nano edge display, and also on the top of it you will get a shield for hiding your front webcam. The webcam supports up to 720p HD resolution, so that is very good. Apart from these features, you can see the screen looks very vibrant and crisp, and I found no problem with the screen. It has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. If you go into the settings, you can see that you can personalize all things like system, Bluetooth, and if you go into the display section you can change the wallpaper, and every wallpaper looks beautiful on this VIVOBOOK. As you can see here, as it comes with 15.6 inches, so it is a very large laptop. So if you want to use it properly you have to use a keyboard, and you can see that you cannot open with one hand. The hinge is little bit problematic for me, so you have to use two hands to open it. And out of 512 GB you will get 410 GB free storage on first boot up. The speaker quality of this laptop is not top notch, but it has enough loudness, you can hear it properly. Also it can support night shield, so you can read for longer periods of hour if you want to, and in this way it will change the color of the screen and it will filter the blue light actually. And if you want you can enable or disable HDR capability on video playback. Here you can do that. HDR videos looks very good on this display, so you can have a good multimedia experience in terms of audio and video. Here you can see that the speaker is actually located here, so you can have a very good quality of speakers, and the loudness is also very good. RAM wise and processor wise, this is a great laptop. If you have a budget of 40,000 rupees, then you can buy ASUS VIVOBOOK at around 40,000 using your credit cards during sale. This tablet can handle any task as it has 16 GB of RAM and SSD storage. It will be very fast, so you can do all your stuffs like reading anything or making any project on PowerPoint or making Excel sheets or playing games, as it has graphics card inbuilt. So this is my initial thought about this VIVOBOOK. If you have any questions regarding this laptop you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Actually it is a very good tablet under 40,000 rupees. If you are a student, this will be a very good deal for you. However, there are other options that you can buy at similar price point, so if you want to know about that options you can ask me in the comment section below, and I can make a video regarding the best tablets under 50,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.